You're watching the Fox 28 Morning Show.
Welcome back to the Morning Show, everybody. 8:35. If you're sitting at home looking in the mirror and you can't differentiate your complexion from a sheet of paper, you may be thinking, maybe I need to get a tan.
Now, we have heard a few minutes ago that not every tan from the sun rays is good for you, but you can get some color without exposing yourself to all those harmful rays from the sun. Fox 28's Lindsay Zablon is at the Center PC. We were talking about sunless tanning this morning, and there is a big difference between what you can do at home and what you can actually have done for you when you go someplace professional.
Absolutely. You know, both you're going to get a different tan. And you want to be careful that you don't look like a sheet of paper that's maybe orange instead of the white sheet of paper. But there are pros and cons depending on what you want to do. And so we're here with Kim Whitaker, who's an esthetician here at Center PC. And Kim, just a few minutes ago, we were talking to Dr. Downs, and he was saying that this is probably the little bit healthier option. And I know that there's 3 different ways that people can try to do sunless tanning. There's the at-home, which you see right here.
Yes.
And then we have the airbrush,
which is the sun mist tanning, yes.
Okay, and then finally is a spray tan, which maybe some people have seen that they've gone to different
So like a
places.
tanning booth, yes.
Okay. What are going to be the differences, the pros between all of these different ones?
Well, obviously, the sunless tanning is going to be your safest and best way to achieve a healthy glow. Our sun mist tanning system here is an airbrush tanning system that we use that uses organic botanical ingredients to really nourish and nurture the skin, so that you really achieve a nice, even, healthy tan. Now, a tanning booth that you would like stand in and you'd have to turn around, and
which is what we see kind of right back here.
Well, kind of like that. You know, really that is still going to be on your shoulders to achieve that even tan. With the airbrush tan, you know, you have a professional that's going to spray you very evenly. And then the at-home system that you could use, you have different choices. That's going to be up to you also to achieve a very even, non-streaky look. You know, really gone are the days of that orange kind of Oompa-Loompa tan, thank God.
Thank goodness, exactly. Now, with all of these, what tips would you have for someone either going to try the professional or trying these at home? Because if you all seen the Friends episode with Ross, you can do that to yourself.
Well, exactly. And, you know, that is really the spray and tan booth. Like I said, it was on your shoulders to achieve that tan. With an airbrush system, you are getting a very even spray because somebody is actually getting each part of your body sprayed, and it's going to be very even and very natural looking also. So you're going to have a nice glow, very even, and it's non-drying because it is organic and contains very healthy ingredients for the skin.
Real quick, we have about 30 seconds. Dr. Downs mentioned the one that you guys have puts out an organic mist.
Correct.
Not every place is going to have that.
No.
Is it dangerous if it's not organic, or what's the difference between it?
Well, really, it's the condition of the skin. It's going to dry the skin out. If it contains a lot of chemical additives, this really does nurture the skin quite well, and it also conditions it so that it's very smooth and soft.
Okay,
and
so
plus
you won't be as flaky.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much. And actually, Steve and Alicia, when we get back, we're going to show, if you want to try to apply at home, show how you can do that and make sure you get that even look. Because I've done it before and not successfully.
You know, every time, whenever Alicia and I were just talking, we see a tanning booth, we always think of an episode of Friends where Ross just kept getting sprayed in the front.
I know, he's 7 in the front.
Yeah.
I love it.
So good.